Imagine having a full conversation using a set of drums, talking with a human being in a real life setting. Imagine creating this atmosphere of conversation between human and drums. Building a scenario of an event that is going to come that everybody is either anxious or ambitious of having, seeing, and experiencing. This only happens in Eshe. It is important for you to know that a drum beater does not call the man to come and say what the father did not do, to come and say what the father was not. This is because if the man said what the father was not, what he did not do. Remember, there are people who knew the father who is still alive. They could murmur amongst them, "It's a lie, it's a lie." So the son is going to do his research very well to be sure that he's going to really say what the father did, what the father meant in his lifetime. Sometimes, even if what the father may have done once a time may have been perceived as negative, the son will have to learn how to turn that negativity to be positive when he is praising the father in Etoakanaya. That was Okoko. Today, I do not know how much of Eshe is being heard. I know that much of Eshe was being heard around in the time we were growing up. Okuku was not a thing that would come easily. It was well planned, like I say. And Eshe was the highest anticipation of every young child growing up in the village. They wanted to see the Eshe. They wanted to see the drama, the conversation, the praise, the relationship that the drama creates with the dancers and all of that. This was a unique experience. And in this second video, I wanted to share with you the intelligence that goes with the conversation between the drummer and the dancer and what this means. That is why the Eshe drum beaters had to do their rehearsal while the son would do his research. And today, I would like to let us know that the talking drum called Eshe played only during Okoko. Eshe is not played anytime else except during Okoko. And I said before, it is only the men that dance to the Eshe. But in my next video, I'm going to show you when, how, and why the women could dance or will dance to the Eshe. Until then, please, if you have more information about Eshe, share with us. We will be very happy to share with our audience. Thank you very much as you have watched. I want to remind you that this is the work we are doing for the preservation of Igbo language and culture in Omenka app. If you have not gotten Omenka app on your phone, please, it is very important, especially now that we are launching a new version of the app that carries lesson plan and all other features that are going to amaze you. Very beautiful curated Igbo culture and cultural practices coming up on the app. Download Omenka today so that you will love the work we're doing. Thank you.